with regard to Karnataka, this is Mysore Dasara. Recently, Government of Karnataka, Department of Archaeological and Museum has decided to apply Mysore Dasara to get the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag. It gains momentum, or the process has got momentum, because recently the Durga Puja in West Bengal has accorded the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag status. Recently the Durga Puja which happens in the West Bengal has been accorded the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag status. Now the Karnataka state government, that is the Department of Archaeology, Archaeological Survey, Archaeological and Museums, decided to submit the report to the UNESCO World Heritage Sites Cultural Heritage Tag to get the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag to the Mysore Dasara. Earlier also this exercise has been done, but it has not got the status. Now the government has decided to resubmit the report so that the Mysore Dasara must get the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag. So what is the criteria to get listed under the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag? So there is no proper criteria to get the cultural heritage tag, but they gave a general suggestions that it should be of generations together. It must be of very age-old tradition, and it has a history of around 100-200 years or more than that. And that tradition has to be passed from generation to generation, and these generations must bring in some changes or bring in some changes to that culture, and they must involve or they must imbibe that culture into their community. So these are the various general points which they have been prescribed to get prescribed by the UNESCO in order to get the cultural heritage tag. So by seeing that the general observation, we can say that the Mysore Dasara has a rich history. It was started way back when Vijayanagara Empire was started, so it is considered as Nada Habba. Even the foreign visitors, Domingo Pace and all other foreigner visitors who are traveling to Vijayanagara Empire have documented this Mysore Dasara. It was considered as Nada Habba at that time, so it has a rich legacy. It has a rich legacy, and it has passed from generations to generation. So this is one of the major argument that the state government is putting forward in order to ensure that it gets the Mysore Dasara gets the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag. Now we will see what are the other things which have been already included, which are the other important festivals or events which have been already included in the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag from India. Apart from Durga festival, Ram Leela, Vedic chanting, Ram Leela, Vedic chanting, then Kumbh Mela, Buddhist hymns in Ladakh, then Kuttiyatam of Kerala, and Sankirtan or Sankirtana, a dancing and singing festival of Manipur, has been accorded Cultural Heritage Tag status from India. So now the Karnataka state government is submitting its memorandum or submitting its request in order to get the Mysore Dasara under the UNESCO Cultural Heritage Tag. Okay. Next, we'll move